Assembly instructions for wall-mounted units from NorthPoint closets. Before installation, ensure all the connectors are locked in place. Push the connector into the housing until panels are flush. Make sure there is no gap between the panels. To disassemble, slide the panel with the connector back, then pull the panels apart. First, prepare fixed shelves. Secure the fixed shelf support rail to the fixed shelf using the pre-installed wood dowels. Repeat this step as needed for all fixed shelves included with the unit. Position the left or right side panel flat on the ground with the female housings facing upward. At the top of the panel, align the male connectors with the corresponding female housings on the side panel. Once properly aligned, snap the connectors securely into place. Repeat this process for the middle, if applicable, and bottom fixed shelves. Take the opposite side panel and align the female housings with the male connectors on the fixed shelf and the fixed shelf support rail. Once properly aligned, snap the side panels securely into place. Once assembled, gently lay the unit on its back so the front is facing up. Then carefully lift it so it is standing upright.